Are you looking for the best action cameras under $100? In this video, we will look at some of the best action cameras under $100 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. SJCAM SJ4000 Dual Screen 4K Action Camera. Features professional 4K 30 fps, 2.7K 30 fps, 1080p 60 frames per second per 30 frames per second and 720p 120 fps video resolution. With 16MP images and a 170 degrees super wide-angle lens, the SJ4000 action camera allows you to capture the exciting moments of your life in more detail. Equipped with durable IP68 waterproof case, which can protect the GoPro like underwater camera diving up to 30 meters depth. With the waterproof camera, you can record the beautiful underwater scenery to your heart's content. Perfect for water sports such as swimming, surfing, diving, snorkeling, motorboating, rafting, etc. SJ4000 action camera adopts an innovative dual-color screen design, which can be freely switched between front and rear screens. The vivid front screen can meet your selfie needs, and the rear is a 2-inch HD screen that allows you to preview wonderful videos and photos in motion anytime, anywhere. Please follow the instructions to install the app SJCAM Zone on your phone or tablet and connect with the SJCAM action camera via Wi-Fi. You can capture the world in a whole new way, edit videos in a faster way, and upload them to your social networking sites such as TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram to keep up with the world. Note: Wi-Fi range up to 33 feet. Number 2. OURLIFE Q80S Action Camera. Dual 2-inch IPS touchscreens for easy navigation and preview, enhancing your shooting experience. Capture stunning 4K 60 fps videos with high frame rates, perfect for dynamic action scenes. EIS reduces shake, while distortion correction ensures realistic images in wide-angle shots. Use as a webcam with USB connectivity, making it versatile for video conferencing. Durable design allows for underwater recording up to 30 m, ideal for adventure sports. Number 3. OURLIFE Ultra HD Action Camera. Built-in advanced 6-axis electronic image stabilization, EIS, adopts 6-axis anti-shake technology to deliver steady and smooth videos that ensures excellent experience in up to 4K resolution. EIS does not support 4K 60 fps, 1080p 120 fps, 720p 240/120/60/30 fps videos. In this mode, DDR4G is used to shoot high-definition videos or slow-motion photography. Distortion correction is not supported under 4K 60 fps video mode, and it is not supported under the premise that EIS, electronic anti-shake, has been turned on under 4K 30 fps mode. The remote control that supports 2.4 GHz can make your hands completely free. IT allows you to control the camera from a distance. Number 4. SJCAM C100 Plus Action Camera. With its compact body, you can install it in any position, even on pets, to experience a magical first-person perspective. Use the time-lapse photography function to show a long record in a very short time and feel the passage of time together. Wearing a special waterproof case SJCAM, you can dive to 30 meters depth and enjoy the fun of underwater sports. The anti-shake system maintains image stability and clarity by making real-time corrections to images during rapid camera movement, rotation, or vibration. It counteracts camera shake caused by body shaking, running, riding, and other movements to ensure picture stabilization. Mount anywhere. The body of this product is magnetic, and it can be installed at any angle you want with accessories. With your thoughts and creativity, you can shoot all kinds of perspectives you want to see. Connect the camera to the app through Wi-Fi, and control the camera in real time to complete the shooting. The operation is simple and does not need to consume the SIM data of the mobile phone. You can share photos and videos on various personal communication platforms, share them with millions of SJCAM fans worldwide at any time, and interact to convey your beauty and happiness. Number 5. JETO 4K Bodycam Action Bike Camera. The H88 4K tiny action camera is so compact it's smaller than your thumb and weighs just 1.25 ounces, 35.7 grams. You can mount it on your body without even noticing it's there, blending seamlessly with you. It offers a whole new amazing experience. The H88 sports camera features a magnetic design, allowing you to attach it to an iron metal surface. It also comes with a magnetic lanyard pad that lets you quickly mount it to your chest in just 1 second. With a 360 degrees rotating spring clip, you can effortlessly secure the camera to your collar, pocket, waist, and more. Additionally, it includes 7 other mounting accessories, making it easy to attach to bikes, motorcycles, helmets, and other gear. This mini camera includes a waterproof case. You can take the camera underwater up to 131 feet, 40 meters, making it ideal for diving, snorkeling, and surfing. Just remember, the camera itself is not waterproof without the housing. This mini 4K action cam comes with a rechargeable 800 mAh lithium-ion battery, providing extended usage. It can continuously record up to 150 minutes of video in 1080p mode, 120 minutes in 2K mode, and 90 minutes in 4K mode. Plus, the camera supports recording while charging, so you can meet your long-term recording needs without interruption.